In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Webflow. Whether you're launching a new website or looking to rebrand with a personal touch, adding a custom domain can elevate your site's professionalism and make it easier for visitors to find you. Before we dive in, it's important to note that you must have a paid plan to take advantage of the custom domain feature in Webflow. If you're all set with that, let's get started. First, open your Webflow dashboard. This will be your central hub for managing all your Webflow projects, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its navigation. From your dashboard, find the site you want to connect your custom domain to. Next, you'll want to go to your site settings. Once there, look for the Publishing tab and click on Production. This section is where you'll handle all aspects related to publishing and domains. Once you're in the right place, you'll see an option to add a custom domain. Click on that. A new option will appear prompting you to select a connection method. Choose the Quick Connect domain. It's the simplest and fastest way to get things set up. The next step is entering your domain name. This should be the domain you've already purchased from your DNS provider, like your domain.com, for example. Simply type your domain name into the given field, making sure there are no typos or errors, and double check. It matches what's registered with your provider. Following this, you will need to choose your DNS provider from a list of options, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, or others. Selecting the right provider is crucial as it allows Webflow to correctly guide the connection setup process. Once you've selected your DNS provider, you'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection to Webflow. Make sure you have your login credentials handy before you start this step. Granting these permissions ensures that Webflow can interact directly with your DNS settings to streamline the setup. After you authorize the connection, click on Verify Domain. This action checks that everything is configured correctly and your domain is ready to be used with your Webflow site. It might take a few minutes for the verification to complete, so be patient. If there are any issues, double-check the details you've entered and ensure that you granted the necessary permissions. The final step is to publish your site to the verified custom domain. This will make your Webflow site accessible via your new domain, providing that professional touch you've been aiming for. Upon successful publishing, your site will be live, allowing visitors from around the globe to access it using your custom domain name. And there you have it, a seamless walkthrough on how to add a custom domain to your Webflow site. Remember, a custom domain is not just about vanity, it's an essential component of your brand's online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.